Today, I'm gonna show you how to transform my iPhone 15 Pro Max to become a monitor with your mirrorless camera. Well, guys, in this video, you will learn how to use your mobile or iPhone. Actually, it's iPhone 15 Pro Max to use for monitor, and not only just a monitor, also a recorder, a 10-bit recorder, and transform again your iPhone, transform as a monitor and recorder to your mirrorless camera. This vlog is for you guys. Many filmmakers struggle to find a cheaper version of a monitor. So in this vlog, guys, I'm gonna show you the new product from Atomos, the Atomos Ninja phone. And guys, so this Atomos Ninja phone will transform your iPhone 15 Pro Max to a monitor on your camera, which is mostly mirrorless and DSLR. You have DSLR or mirrorless. So I'm gonna show you how to transform our iPhone 15 Pro Max to a monitor in your uh, mirrorless camera or any camera. So again, without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. Today's vlog, guys, again, we will check this new Ninja phone. So actually, this is the box of the Ninja phone, and this is the device, guys. So this is the device. You have a clamp, and this is the clamp. I'm gonna show you how to put. So what include inside the box is USB-C to USB-C. So to connect your mobile to this device, and USB-C along USB-C. So you have two types of USB-C. Yeah, that's the only uh include inside the box. And again, guys, when before you use this one, make sure that you have also purchased separately the NP batteries. Yeah, this is called Sony NP batteries. And HDMI to depends on your camera, mini, micro, or the normal. So on today's vlog, we have A74, which is a normal HDMI. Yan. So we will connect. I'm gonna show you how to connect. Okay, so first, so just adjust this thing. Okay, you can put your mobile, lock, and lock. Okay, so and one more thing that you need is the cold shoe mount. So we need a cold shoe mount. Okay, so this is your mobile, video out, and you have the USB-C ACC mic. So actually, this is still for iPhone 15, and soon I think it will also compatible will be on the Samsung 24 S24. I'm not familiar, but at least the S24. So, yan. Okay. Connect, put a battery. Okay. And HDMI cable. And we will put the connector here. So, guys, this is our iPhone, and this is the camera. And of course, the Otomos Ninja phone. But again, guys, before I forget, you need to download the application, which is Otomos Ninja. Yeah, just download the Otomos Ninja, and yeah. So this is the Otomos Ninja. Again, we have the HDMI cable. This is your this is our iPhone, and this is the Ninja phone holder or Ninja phone device. So I can record from my mobile, even if not recording from the camera. I can record from my mobile. hmm Now this file is from, yeah. So S-Log, I can record from a mobile. You need only HDMI cable, and on the back you have the battery, NP batteries. You have HDMI in, and USB-C, and ACC DAS mic. So you need to connect the ACC DAS mic and USB-C for your mobile, which is the iPhone. So ayan guys, I'm recording now, and this is the quality of the recording. So yeah, you can use now your mobile or iPhone 15 uh, as a monitor to your mirrorless camera. So again guys, this is a quick review and test of this new Ninja phone. So and guys, if you want to use your iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 15 for to be a monitor of your camera, you can check this one guys, the Ninja phone. If you found this video is helpful, check out my other videos regarding photo and video and tutorial. So yan guys, if you want to check the price and the availability of this new Ninja V phone, Ninja V, sorry, Ninja phone, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Ninja product, actually not only Ninja phone, but we have a Ninja product. You can check all our product again in our website, all the Otomos product or Ninja o Otomos, sorry, Otomos product. So yan. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.